Good evening. Can you hear me? Another.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Last week we started the fraction lesson. Okay, I'm going to again remember what we learned. Okay. We started the third lesson last week. What is a fraction? Okay. Then 1/2. We can pronounce what is the 1/2. Then second one is what is the fraction is 1/4. Okay. What we then third one is what is the fraction is what is the 3/4. Okay. Then last week we discussed the what is the 1/2. What is the one is what is the name of the one in the fraction? මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ 1 එකට? What is the name? 1/2. Then 1 is the numerator. Then 2 is what is the name of it? Denominator. Is it? Okay. Can you remember the what is the unit fraction? What is the unit fraction? Can you remember? The numerator is equal to 1. 1/2, 1/4, 1/5, 1/9. These are the unit fractions. Okay. In last week also we discussed the proper fractions. What is a proper fraction? Can you remember? What is the numerator is less than the denominator? What is the 3/4, 1/2, 3/5? What is 5/7? These are the proper fraction. What is the numerator is less than the denominator. කියන්නේ numerator එක පොඩි මොකේට වැඩියද? numerator denominator එකට වැඩිය. එතකොට මොකක්ද අපි කියන්නේ? හරය කුඩායි, ලවය කුඩායි හරයට වැඩිය කියනවා නේද? Okay. Then after we discuss the what then after we discuss the improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? Can you remember? What is the improper fraction? 5/4, 10/7, 13/5. What is the properties of the improper fractions? What is the properties? Improper fraction එකේ property එක වෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is the property of the improper fraction is 5/4. What is the difference between the proper fraction and improper fractions? Improper fraction එකේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? The numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Can you remember these things we learned in the grade 8? Okay. Proper fraction, improper fractions we learned in the grade 8. Okay. Can you remember the mixed number? What is a mixed number? How we read it? 1 and 1/5. Okay. Then we can write second one. What is the 2 and 6/7? Converting mixed number into the improper fraction. How we do? Then 3 and 1/7. This is the mixed number. Then 7 multiplied by 3 and adding 1 to numerator. Okay. Denominator is the same as a mixed number. Then it's 7. Then 5 and 1/4. What is the improper fraction is how much? What is the how we get 4 multiplied by 5? How much? 4 multiplied by 5? කීයද වෙන්නේ? 4 5න් වැඩි කරොත් 4 into 5. How much? 20. Okay. Then what is the, then adding 20 and 1. What is it? 21 over 4. Okay. This is the converting mixed number into the improper fraction. Then improper fraction converting into the mixed number. 25 over 4. It's a 25 over 4 is a, what is it? What type of fraction? 25 over 4. What is the type is? Ayatma? What is the 25 over? What is the type of the fraction is? Mona type improper fraction. Then we have to convert into the mixed number. How we do? 25 divided by 25 divided by 4. How much the 25 divided by 4 is? How much? 6. Then there are whole number is 6 and 24. How much remaining? 1. We use the 6 and 1 over 4 for the mixed number. Then 33 over 9, we can use the 3 and 6 over 9. Then we discuss the equivalent fractions. What are the equivalent fractions? We can get equivalent fractions by 2 methods. Then first one is multiplying the both numerator and denominator by the same factor. Then how we get the 2 over 3? The equivalent fraction for the 2 over 3. What is that? We can multiply the both numerator and denominator by 2. What we can get? 4 over 6. Can you tell me another equivalent fractions for the 2 over 3? Can you tell me? 2 over 3 එකට තව equivalent fraction එකක් කියන්න බලන්න. Can you tell me? Who can tell me? බලන්න තේරුණාද කියලා? Equivalent fractions. Then use the fraction factor as the 5. 5 කියන factor එක use කරන්න. You have to multiply the both by 5. Both numerator and denominator by 5. 2 over 3 කියන එකට. 3ෙන් 2 කියන එකට same equivalent fraction. Can you tell me? Isindu, can you tell me? Use the factor as the 5. මොකද වෙන්නේ? හරයයි ලවයයි දෙකම 5න් වැඩි කරන්න බලන්න. How much the answer is? Ayatma, can you tell me? මොකද වෙන්නේ? Set me? Can you tell me? Is the equivalent fraction එකක් ගන්න කොහමද? 2 over 3 multiplied by both numerator and denominator by 5. Can you tell me what is the fraction is? Isindu? How much? The answer is Atma, can you tell me what is the answer?
10 over 15.
Yes, 10 over 15. Okay. Then second one is 7 over 5. What is that? 5 over 7, we can multiply both by 2. Dekam api multiply කරලා තියෙන්නේ දෙකේ. What is the answer is 10 over 14. Okay. Then you can get like this. Fractions ordering. Okay. Then we discussed the how we order in the fractions. Then 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 3, 1 over 5, 1 over 7. Write down these fractions in ascending order. Okay. Then what is the smallest fraction? 1 over 7. Because why? Then I told the cake bring into your home, and it's cut into the 7 pieces, and we take 1 piece. Or what is the larger piece? Then bring a cake and divide into 2 parts and take 1 part. What is the greatest pieces? අපි ගෙදරට ගෙනල්ලා කේක් එකක් 7ට කපලා එකක් කන එකද ලොකු 2ට කපලා එකක් කන එක. Okay. Then we can get the highest denominator is the smallest fraction. Denominator එකට වැඩිම අගයක් තිබ්බොත් then it's the smallest fraction. Okay. It's the ordering method for the ascending and descending. Okay. Then also we use the then addition of the fraction. We discussed the what is the 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. What is the addition of these 3 over 5. Then 1 over 7, adding 2 over 7, 3 over 7. What is the answer is 6 over 7. Okay. Then after we discuss the 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5, then answer is 2 over 5. When we adding and subtracting 1 over 7, adding 4 over 7, 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7. The answer is 2 over 7. Okay, like this we did. Okay, we add in the after we add in the what are the denominators are not same. What we do then? Then we got the common denominator. Common denominator එකක් ගත්තා. What is the? We get the least common multiple. Hari. What is the 3 and 6 divide by, then it's a 6 is the least common denominator. Then what is the 6? Then 1 over 3 have to get as the denominator as 6. 1 over 3 කියන එක 6 කියන denominator එක ගන්න ඕනේ. We multiply that both numerator and denominator by 2. Then 2 over 6, 1 plus 1 over 6. Okay. Then we discuss the addition of these things, and what is the of is what the multiplication of කියන එකට අපි use කරන්නේ multiplication. Okay. Then I gave the homework. Did you do it? First I am going to solve the 6th one. What is the first one? We have to solve the brackets. Brackets දෙක සුදු කරගන්න ඕනේ. What is the first? We have to get the mixed number of this one. What is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, and 7 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 7. Okay. Then you have to add in 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 1. Okay, 2, 1. Then what is the, we can divide this one. 1 plus 3 over 2. Okay, then you can use 2 over 2 as the 1. Okay, adding this one. 5 over 2. What is the answer is 2 and 1 over 2 is the answer. Okay. After you finish it, raise hand. ඉවර වෙලා raise hand කරන්න. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish the write down, raise hand. Raise hand කරන්න. නැත්නම් ලියාගෙන ඉවරද දන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Set me, are you finished?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, I'm going to the next question. I'm going to the seventh question. How we do the seventh question? What is that? Our order is what? BODMAS. What is B stands for? What? What we stand for B? B stand for what? Brackets. Then can you remember it? Then what we do next one? D. D stand for what is it? Can you remember? The grade 9 BODMAS. What is D stands for? මොකක්ද D කියන්නේ? What is the D? O means O කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? O. What is off? We use off. Then D is multiplication. Is it?
Division.
Yes, division. Then division. Then M is stands for මොකක්ද M කියන්නේ? Multiplication නේද? Then what is the A stands for? What is the addition? Okay, then S subtraction. Okay, then what is the we first do? First do what? First we do the brackets. Is there is a bracket? Make a brackets තියනවද මොනවද? No නේද? Then what is the we have to do the? What is off වෙනකොට අපි මොකද්ද දානවා කිව්වේ? What we use it? What? Multiplication. Then you have to convert these mixed number into what? What is the improper fractions? What is the 12 over 5 divide by, then what is the 3 over 2? Okay, then අපි off එකනේ මුලින්ම කරනවා කිව්වේ. Then we use this. What is the how many? Then you can use the 4 multiplied by, there is not the we cannot divide the 12 by 5 or 4 by 5. So what is the 12 multiplied by 4? 48. Then 25. Okay, then you have to division. Okay, what is that? We have to solve next one. What is the division? The division operator is the next one. You have to then it use the multiplication and what is that? Get the reciprocal of it. What is that? 3 over 2. What is the reciprocal is? 2 over 3. Okay, then can you get the answer? What is that? 96 over 75. Okay, then what is the how many 75s per 96? කියත් යනද එකයි, how much remaining? 21 over 75. Okay, write down the answer. If you finish, raise hand. Okay. What is the 8th one? Did you do the 8th one? How we do the? Then there are two operators here. What is the two operators? What is the division and what is the multiplication? Then you have to get what is the order of the simplification? What is the order of the mathematical operators? What we do have to do the first division no multiplication. Division එකද multiplication එකද මුලින්ම කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. By the BODMAS, what we have to do the first, you have to get the improper fraction of these mixed numbers. What is the 5 multiplied by 2 is how much? 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. The 10 plus 2 is 12. Then division. Then 1 and 1 over 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 5. What is the operator we have to do the first? Koi operator එකද අපි කරන්නේ මුලින්ම? What is the operator we doing first? කියන්න බලන්න. Ayatma, what is the operator we doing first? Koi operator එකද අපි මුලින් කරන්නේ? Set me?
Division.
Yes, division. Okay. Then we pair in the first operator. We have to simplify. What is the අපි ඔය දෙක නේද මුලින්ම කරන්න තියෙන්නේ division එක. How we doing the division? Division එක අපිට division විදියට කරනවා නම් කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Then first write down the first fraction and you have to get the multiplication. Then after the fraction, the division symbol, get the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal එක කීයද? 3 over 2. What is the reciprocal of පරස්පරය? උඩයට මාරු කරනවා. What is the reciprocal of it? 3 over 2. Reciprocal of it. We use here the previous question. How we get the reciprocal of it? What is the reciprocal? Can you tell me? Bingun, what is the reciprocal of it? Daphne? Yes, Dulina answer is correct. What is the 2 over 3 is the reciprocal of it. Parasparaya. Then can you simplify it? How many 3's per 12? 4. Then the multiplication is here. What is the after? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. May 4 became radical. How much? Then there is 1. What is 8 over 5? You have to multiply by 4 over 5. Okay. Get the answer. What is the final answer? And send me the answer to the chat box. Send me it as a improper or mixed number. Okay. Send me the answer to chat box. Okay. Yes, I answer is correct. After you finish, raise hand. ඉවරනා raise hand කරන්න. If you finish, can you send me the Okay, I think time is enough. හරි. time එක ඇති කියලා හිතනවා. What is that? 32 over 25. What is the fraction is? 1 and 7 over 25. Okay. Now, if you finish, raise hand. Bingun Dolina set me I finish. Yeah. Bingun I finish. Bingun Nivarada. Okay. Okay. Write down the simplification of term. Okay. Simplification of term. Okay. Then first example is you have to get the 1/4 of 100. Okay. How we do this simplification? 1/4 have to multiply by 100. Okay. What is the answer? Can you tell me? Write down the first example and get the final answer. What is the final answer of term? We can divide the what? 100 by
25.
that's 25. Okay. Then 1/8 of 256. Okay. Can you get the answer? දෙසිය පනස් අයකින් අටෙන් එක. How we spell it in English? 1/8 of 256. Can you get the answer?
32.
Yes. How we get the answer? 256 divided by 8. One over 8. It's you have to multiply by 256. It's also we have to divide by 8. Answer is 32. Okay. After you finish it, raise the screen if you finish these two examples. Tulina, after you finish this, okay. 3/5 of 750. Okay, get the answer. After you get the answer, send me to chat box. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Yes, Dulina answer is correct. Set me answer is correct. Shafni answer is correct. Ayatma answer is correct. Okay, how we do it? කොහොමද අපි කරන්නේ? 3/5 multiplied by 750. You have to divide the 750 by the 5. How much? Here, 750 if we divide by 5, 150. 150 multiplied by 3, 450. Okay. Get the answer for this one. Get the answer. After you get the answer, send me to chat box. Okay. Yes, Shafni answer is correct. Yes, Dulina answer is correct. Ayatma answer is correct. After you finish it, raise hand. Set me answer is correct. Okay, how we do this? And 5 over 8 multiplied by 512. What is the answer? Is how many 8s per 512? Here, 512 කියන එක 8 වලින් divide. How many? 6, 48. Then how much remaining? 3 and then 32. How much? Then 32. 0. Then 5 have to multiply by 64. 64 multiplied by 5. 22. Then 5 multiplied by 6 is 30 and 32. Okay. What is the answer is 320. Okay. After you finish now, raise hand. මේ screen එකේ තියෙනවා ලියාගෙන ඉවරන raise hand කරන්න. Bingun set me after you finish raise hand. Set me right in. Okay. Try to do this. There are 6 questions. Okay. Try to do. I'm giving about 10 minutes. Okay. විනාඩි 10ක් දෙනවා. දහයක් නෙමේ 8ක් ඇති. Okay. Okay. 10ම දෙන්නම්. හරි. Can you do? After you finish, raise hand. Tell me answers are correct. Set me answers are correct. Okay, I think all are done. So I'm going to solve it. Okay. What is the first one is 1 over 2 multiplied by 5,000. How much? The answer is 2,500. What is the how much rupees? 2,500. Okay. Then second one, 1 over 4 multiplied by 2,000. Okay. It's 500. 500 milliliters. Okay. Third one, 3 over 4 have to multiply by 200. Then there are 50. Then 3 multiplied by 50 is 150 meters. Okay. Fourth one, 3 over 5 have to multiply by 250 kilograms. How many kilograms? 250, 50, then 150 kilogram. Fifth one, 3 over 5 have to multiply by 2.4 liters. Okay, what is the answer? How much the answer for the fifth one? Kidavi wala answer. Kidavi, how much you got? 2.4 have to divide by 5. What is the 0, 0, 24, 2.4. Then it's how many? 4, 5 is 20, 40, 40. How much? 0.48. Okay. Then you have to multiply by 3. Then 4, 2 is remaining. 12, 12 and 2. What is 14? What is the answer is 1.44 liters. Okay. Liters. Sixth one. What is the answer for the sixth one? 3 over 4 have to multiply by 4.8. If we divide by the 4, it's kilometer. Then 1.2. 1.2 multiplied by 3 is 3.6 kilometers. Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand. If you මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා, you can correct down the if you're wrong, and after you finish,
Sir,
yes.
sir, for the fifth question, it's 2/3 into 2.4 liters. No, sir, not 3/5.
Sorry, I got wrong in the fraction, is it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
3/2 you have to multiply by 2.4. Okay, 5 වගේ දැක්කේ. Then what is the 0.8? Then 1.6 liters, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. වෙලාවට කීවා. I saw it as a 5 over. Sorry, 2/5. I saw. After you finish it, raise hand. Ayatma Dulin, after you finish, raise hand. Okay, now I'm going to the second main question. Okay, now you know how to do this type of questions. ඔයාලා දන්නවා දැන් මේ type එකේ questions කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා. Then second question, Mr. Upul received 24,000 as his salary last month. He spent 3/8 of it for travel expenses. Find the amount he spent for travel expenses. Can you find out? Okay, get the answer. Yes, Shafni answer is correct. Setmi answer is correct. Atma answer is correct. Hurry up, send me the answer. How much the answer? Shapni, how much the answer is? Travel expenses equal to what is 24,000 have to multiply by what is 3 over 8. How much the answer is? 9,000. Okay. If you finish now, raise hand. Okay. Bigun, are you finished? Okay. Okay. What is the a household water tank filled with water when 3 over 4 its volume was used up, there was how much? 200 liters of water remaining in the tank. What is the fraction of whole tank was remaining volume of water equal to? Find the capacity of the tank. Okay. Try it first. Read carefully and try to do. Yes, Shakti answer is correct. Then can you understand what is the question? A household tank was filled with water. Then when 3/4 of its volume was used up, then කොච්චරක් use කරලාද? 3/4. Then there was 200 liters of water remaining in the tank. How much the fraction of remaining? Can you tell me? Then 3/4 is used. How much now? කොච්චරක් ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවද? How much fraction there in the tank? කොච්චරක්ද? Then you can use a figure. If you can't get in the answer, you can use a figure. Then how much levels there? Then 3/4 is used. This is the 3/4. 3 of 4. What is how much remaining there? කොච්චරක් ඉතුරුයිද? Then it equal to the remaining part is equal to 200 liters. Asking the how much the capacity of the tank. Can you find out now? I think you can do now. 3/4 is used. The remaining is the fraction. Then it's equal to 200 liters. I think you can do now. Then asking the final second one, find the capacity of the tank. You know the remaining part, remaining fraction, and you have to find out the full capacity. Hurry up to send me the answer. And after you finish, raise hand. Yes, I have answer is correct. Okay, I think you can do now. What is the 1/4 is the remaining, then it's equal to what is 200 divide by 1 and multiply by 4. Okay, then how much the tank capacity is? 800 liters. Okay, now after you finish, raise hand. We going set me after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Bingun, Dulina, set me. I finish. Okay. Then try to do this question. What is the question? I am first read out. What is the fourth one? 3/7 of a plot of land belonged to Pradeep. He bought 1/4 of the portion of land which not belonged to him and annexed it to his plot. Okay. Then what a fraction of total plot of land did Pradeep buy? Okay. Second one, show that Pradeep now owns more than half a plot of land. Third one, if the area of the portion remaining after the Pradeep had bought a part of its 240 square meters, what is the area of the land owned by Pradeep in square meters? Okay. මොකද කියන්නේ ප්‍රදීප්ට කොච්චරක් අයිති වෙලා තිබ්බද? How much? 3/7 of he owned, he belonged. Okay. He bought 1/4 portion of land which did not belong to him. Okay. එයාට අයිති නැති කෑල්ලෙන් එයා 4න් එකක් ගත්තා කියන. Okay, after you get the answers, read carefully. Okay. In this statements question, you have to read it carefully. The answer is correct. I'm figure out what the fractions that then මේ වගේකින් මම figure out කරලා පෙන්නන how much 1 2 3 4 5 6 then 7 how much Pradeep belonged how much plot කොච්චරක් අයිති වෙලා තිබ්බද how much portions can you tell me කොච්චරක් එයාට කලින් අයිති වෙලා තිබ්බද how much he belonged ආත්මා කොච්චරක් අයිති වෙලා තියෙනවද yes 3/7 then 3/7 then after he bought 1/4 of the portion of land which did not belong then කොච්චරක් දැන් එයාට අයිති නැති කැලල තියෙනවද how much 4/7 then he bought how much 1/4 of it එකෙන් 4න් එකක් නේද then how much now you can get then show to own more than half of the plot of land if third one asking if the area of portion remaining after Pradeep bought a part of its 240 and asking the what is the area of land owned by Pradeep in square meters okay I think you can do now it by the fractions and figure out කරලා නෙමෙයි fractions වලින් හොයන්න ඕනේ okay I gave 1 minute okay can you tell me what fraction of total plot of land did Pradeep buy okay then how much the it not owned in fraction is 4/7 of 1/4 then what is the you have to multiply by 1/4 how much 1/7 okay then he owned how much land the fraction is 3/7 plus 1/7 what is the after he bought the 1/7 of the land? Answer is 4/7. Then what is the, if the area of the portion after portion remaining after Pradeep had bought a part of its 240. Okay, he not owning how much? එයා ගත්තට පස්සේ ඉතුරු වෙච්ච land එක කීයද? Then the remaining fraction is 3/7. Remaining fraction after he bought. Okay, then you have to find out the what is the area of the land owned by Pradeep. How we find it? 240 divide by 3 and multiply by 4. Okay, how much it's? 340 square meters. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish it, raise hand. Bingun, Dulina, Setni. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. What is this question is Mr. Austin. Okay, Mr. Austin, who works in an office in the city, spend 2/5 of his salary on foods and sends 2/3 of remaining amount to his wife. Okay. Then first one asking what fraction of his salary remaining after he has spent for his food. Okay. Then second one, what fraction of his salary does he send his wife? Third one, what fraction of his salary is left over after the expenses are met? Okay. First one, you can figure out also what is this. Mr. Austin, who works in an office in city, spend 2/5. ඔයාලට ඉස්සරවම figure out කරලා ඕනම් බලන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Figure out කියලා කියන්නේ ඇඳලා බලන්න පුළුවන් 2/5 of his salary on food and send 2/3 of the remaining amount to his wife. Okay. ඉතිරි වෙච්ච ප්‍රමාණයෙන් තමයි 2/3 sent to his wife. Okay. Let's try to do. I'm giving about how much you need. About 4 minutes or 3 minutes. I think enough. 3 minutes or 4 minutes. 4 minutes, right? The answers are correct. Okay, how we got the answer? Mr. Austin, who works in office in city, spend 2/5 of his salary. Mang figure out karanna. Then how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then 2/3, it's how much? You can use, what is, it's food, on food. And the remaining, and the same 2/3 of remaining. Okay. ඉතුරු එකෙන් 3/2 of remaining to his wife. Okay, then it's the 2/3 of remaining. How much? It's how much? 2/5. Now you can get the answers. What fraction of his salary remaining after spent for his food? How much? 3/5. ඉතුරු වෙනවා 3/5. Then fraction, what fraction of his salary does he send his wife? Okay, how much? Then remaining is how much? 3/5. Then 2/3 of, what is the remaining one? 2/3 of remaining is 3/5. You can get 2/3 multiplied by 3/5. What the fraction sent to his wife? 2/5. Okay, then third one, what fraction of his salary left over after these expenses? There are two expenses. First one is for his foods, then second one is his wife, then it's also 2/5. What is the, all expenses are 4/5. Then what fraction of his salary left over after these expenses? කොච්චරක් ඉතුරු වෙනවද? Left over is 1/5. Okay, can you understand it? තේරුණාද? හරි, write down it, and after you finish, raise hand. Dulina, after you finish, raise hand. Okay, do the second question. Try to do. After you finish, raise hand. Okay, from a certain amount of money, 1/2 was given to A. Then 1/3 of remaining amount was given to B, and rest was given to C. Find the fraction that C received from amount that was distributed. Okay. Then what is the first? B? B, how much got? 1/3 of remaining is 1/2. How much? 1/3 multiplied by 1/2. How much? 1/6. Then how much? Then ඔතනින් කොච්චරක් දැන් C ට ලැබෙනවද? Then 1/2 is get by the A, and 1/6 is, what is 6 is get by how much? 1/6 get by B. Then A ගන්න මෙච්චරයි, B ගන්න මෙච්චරයි. Then how much the total? 3/6 plus 1/6. 4/6 is the A and B received portion. A, B ගත්ත දෙක එකතුව කීයද? 4/6. Then find the fraction C received. Okay. Then rest was given to C. ඉතිරි ටික තමයි දෙන්නේ. How much? The C is get by how much? 2/6. Right? 2/6 ගන්නවා නේද? Okay. Second one asking what? Second one එකේ මොකද කියන්නේ? What the asking in the second one? If instead of dividing amount in above manner, it was divided equally between 3. Okay. Show that amount B would receive is twice the amount that he received initially. Okay. මුලින් හම්බුන ප්‍රමාණයට වැඩි how much? Twice කියලා පෙන්වන්න දෙනවා. Then if it divided among the equally by these 3, එක්කෙනෙකුට කීයක් හම්බ වෙනවද? 1/3. If divided equally, how much? B receives how much? 1/3. Then in this one, the initially received B received initially received by B 1/6. Then this is the 2/6. Okay. Then B receives twice. දෙගුණයක් හම්බ වෙනවා. Twice if divided equally. Okay. If C received 1000 through initial distribution, පළවෙනි එකේදී C හැට හම්බ වුණා නම් 1000, you have to find the total amount that distributed among 3. How we find out? Cට හම්බ වුණලු 1000ක්. C fraction එක how much? 2/6. If it's 2/6 equal to 1000, you have to find the how much? The 6/6. Okay, get the final answer. අන්තිම එකට answer එක ගන්න බලන්න. Can you got? Cට හම්බ වෙනවා 1000 rupees. You have to find the total amount distributed. Okay, how we find? Then 2/6 equal to 1000. මේක තමයි 1000 වලට equal වෙන්නේ. You have to find out the 6/6. එහෙනම් distributed amount, total amount equal to 1000 divided by 2 and multiply by 6. How much the total amount? Okay, find out the total amount. After you finish it, raise hand. ලියාගෙන ඉවර වෙලා raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Vigun, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Vigun, I finish. Where are the? Okay. I am giving homework. Then what is that? Remaining questions in 3.1 and 3.2. Okay. Remaining 3.2 and 3.1 and 3.2 exercise in your textbook. Remaining questions. Okay. අපි ගොඩක් කරා ඉතුරු ටික කරන්න ඕන remaining questions. Okay. Can you do? ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙයිද? Okay. After I am discussing it on the next week. Okay. Do you have any question what we did today? අපි අද කරපුවා මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Do you have any question? Vigun, do you have any question? Atma, Setmi, Shafni, do you have any question?
No, sir.
එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරනවා. එහෙනම් good night and bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night. God bless you, sir.